Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2, Samsung's latest wearables that are set to take the market by storm. The Galaxy Watch 9 is practically identical to last year's model, with a few minor quality of life changes and a chipset bump. If you loved the design of the previous model, then you'll love this one. The air pocket strap feels lighter, but I worry it might end up being a sweat channel if you wear the watch while working out or exercising. The straps feel more pliable and comfortable due to the weight reduction, and the chassis changes are minimal, but there is room for a larger battery in both 40mm and 44mm models. The main event is the updated and improved Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, which now looks more in keeping with the boxy aesthetic that signifies the Galaxy Watch lineup. The flatter profile is a cleaner aesthetic, and while you're not getting the much-loved rotating bezel, at least there is no confusion, like maybe the original Galaxy Watch Ultra added with the colorful bezel edge. The lack of colors might be a bigger problem, as you can only pick up the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 in silver or gray with no white model this time around. Samsung says the Ultra 2 is 12% thinner than the previous version, and despite the decrease, manages to pack in an 800 mAh battery. The maximum brightness of the Watch Ultra 2 is a staggering 5000 nits at its peak, and I have no doubt that you will have zero issues checking time, vitals, or basically anything else for that matter on this watch. The Watch 9 is similarly impressive, with a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. Because the bioactive sensor appears to have seen little to no upgrades this time around, there's a huge push from Samsung to highlight some of the new fitness modes on the Watch Ultra 2 alongside new metrics that you can track on the latest devices. Thanks to the improved IP69K rating and EN 13319 diving certification, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 boasts some impressive underwater capabilities aimed directly at divers. Later this year, Mars will even bring more metrics like descent speed and depth, which will be a game changer for divers. As for the specs and performance, the Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2 are set to deliver some impressive results. With the latest chipset and improved battery life, you can expect a seamless user experience. The new features on the Watch Ultra 2 are also worth mentioning. With improved underwater capabilities and new fitness modes, this watch is set to take the wearable market by storm. There have been some rumors and leaks surrounding the Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2, but it seems like Samsung has finally delivered on its promises. The expected release date and price for the Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2 are still unknown, but we can expect them to be released later this year. In our verdict, the Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2 are set to be two of the best wearables of 2026, with impressive specs, new features, and a sleek design. They're definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and we'll catch you all in the next video.